Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Osak Delete X. If you're new to this video, kindly like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and also any question asked, kindly comment under the comment section. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. And in this video, we'll be talking about the Blum. All right, reach a minimum of 750 main points or complete proof of activity, which means those who have already completed the proof of activities before they ended the proof of activities, that was last year. All right, if you have done the transaction before, then you need no worries about the main points. But in case you want to go for the main points, I'm going to show you right here in the video how you can accumulate about 3,000 or 750 main point token as easy peasy. All right, now we're going to head over to our Blum Airdrop bot. Here I am on the Blum Airdrop bot. As you can see, I'm on the Blum Airdrop bot. I'm going to click on launch Blum. Now I'm on the Blum Airdrop. All right, so what I did right here before getting into my Blum Airdrop was funding my Tonkeeper wallet address, my Tonkeeper. All right, I funded $2 to mine Tonkeeper, which you're seeing right here on my screen. So that is 2.26 ton. That is $2. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna claim all right, my daily check-ins. I was having about equivalent to 140 daily check-ins until I skip a day or two, and then it's recovered, went back to 0. So I have to start all over again. Now I'm having a 4 daily streak. So that's not the point of the video. This video is going to be made for people like you and I who are here to accumulate about 750 to 1,000 to 3,000 main points, upward. So as you can see right here on my screen, I'm having 30 main points. All right, so how can we accumulate 750 main points? Easy peasy. All we got to do is click on the trade to earn. All right, once you click on trade to earn, let me claim this. Once you click on trade to earn, all you're going to do is click on the meme trade to earn. All right, then you're going to select the trade with trading bot, which is 750 main points. Select it. All right, so here we are on the Blum trading bot. So what we're going to do, please do ensure you funded your ton, all right, your Tonkeeper or your ton on whichever ton wallet you're using. Ensure you have about $2 or pool point something ton. All right, so what we're going to do right here is click on wallet. Once you click on wallet, you're going to scroll down and click on the wallet which you connected to your Tonkeeper. For in my own case, I connected to the Ton wallet, so I'm going to click on Ton wallet, and you can see right here, this is the wallet. All right, and it says Ton V5R1 wallet, blah blah blah, and all that. So all we're going to do is click on copy. I'm going to tap on the address. All right, now it has been copied. Now I'm having about 0 ton. All right, so what I'm going to do is top up your ton wallet with Ton Connect. All right, so what I'm going to do is click on deposit, which you're seeing right on the screen. I'm going to click on deposit, and once I click on deposit, so we're going to go back to our Tonkeeper, which is here. So what I'm going to do on the Ton wallet is to send. All right, send everything, which is everything here. Paste the address on the Tonkeeper here. Then I'm going to max this. All right, so this is 0.7 ton. All right, equivalent to $2.26. I'm going to max all this one, then continue. Then I'm going to click on confirm. Yeah, so ensure that this is the correct address you're using. Okay, yeah, now it has been sent. So all I'm going to do is head back to the Blum Airdrop and to be sure that it has been loaded successfully. So we're going to do refresh. All right, now we're going to, yeah, okay. Oh, so here is it. All right, so Ton wallet 0.736 ton, $2.26. Just you can see right here, which has been reflected on my Blum trading bot. Okay, so what we're going to do is click on token list. All right, click on Ton Hot, and when we click on Ton Hot, we're going to click on the popular one, which everyone has been, I've been trading with. But in your own case, you can choose anyone if you know what you're doing. But quickly, for the case of the video, we're gonna just buy just to accumulate the 3,000 or 750 main points. What we're gonna do is click on not or the pixel. Choose one. D. If your leg is so dirty, please take it out and go and wash it in your father's house. Oh, we choose the PX. All right, so not pixel. You know the pixel, the pixel we did the other time. All right, so but I think I'm gonna choose the not pixel. I think I'm gonna break this rule. So we're gonna choose on not. What we're gonna do is click on the buy amount. All right, so we're gonna change this to 0.1. All right, so 0.1. Okay, so we're gonna click this to 0.1, then we're gonna send it. All right, so we're going to buy 0.1 worth of ton from this. All right, so we're going to click on buy. All right, so it's processing. You just have to wait a little bit. I'm waiting for confirmation. Done. So we are finally, traded on the Bloom trading bot, which we purchased a ton. All right, so now here's what we've traded on. After doing all this one, we're going to go back to our Bloom point. I'm going to click on Bloom. All right, so after clicking on the Bloom, so we're going to go to the end. All right, okay, so we'll click on the end. We're going to click on chain. As you can see right here, we've traded a Bloom hot. All right, so what we're going to do is click on claim, and congratulations, we finally purchased the 3,000. We finally purchased the 3,000 main points. All right, we've traded and successfully we've done that. So what we're going to do is head back to the home. All right, so we're in the Bloom trading bots. So if you take it backward, you notice that we've already bought pixel. So what we're going to do is click on sell not. Since we've bought, now we're going to sell not. All right, so we finally sold our we finally sold what we actually bought from the Notcoin token, but we had a drop down of 0.22%. So well, that is fair enough. So what we're going to do is click on we're going to click on the main menu. All right, when we click on the main menu, we're going to click on and we're going to click on wallet. I'm going to click on Ton Wallet because that is where our fund is. We're going to click on Ton Wallet. After clicking on Ton Wallet, we're going to withdraw all ton. All right, after clicking on all ton, we're going to withdraw everything. So what we're going to do is head back over to our ton keeper. Then we are going to copy our ton keeper wallet address. Thereafter, we're going to paste our wallet address right here. Then we're going to send. Now what we're going to do is click on confirm withdrawal. So we're going to click confirm. All right, so waiting for confirmation. And finally we've gotten our ton. All right, we've gotten our funds back to our ton wallet where it was originated from. All right, because we would have gotten about 0 point, we should have gotten all our 20 point, but because we had a 0.22% drop down from the trading not all right, we traded on. All right, so what we're going to do is head back to our ton keeper wallet app, then go back and we're going to scroll. Now you can see we're having about $1.98 worth of ton coin in our account balance. So that is how to go about getting the main points from the Bloom airdrop. All right, and that's that. If you're new to this channel, kindly like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and also any question you want to ask, comment on in the comment section below. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. Also, please subscribe and also share this video to your friends and everyone out there who wants to know how to trade the Blum main point. It's just as simple, easy peasy. All right. See you in my next video. Thank you.